So in the WordPress dashboard, let's go to bricks, click on templates. Now click on add new. Let's type header on the right hand side. Select header, click on publish. Now click on edit with bricks. Click on add section. I've given a global padding to the sections and the containers. So you will see these default padding already given. So let's first make it 0. Now click on container, pick two divs. Let's place them side by side. Let's give it something like this. The first div, let's rename it to logo. Put a logo inside this. In the second one, let's place a nav menu. So right now we don't have one, so let's create a nav menu. Let's go to appearance. Let's first see if we have pages. Now we've got plenty pages, so let's go appearance, click on menu. Let's type primary menu, click create menu. Now let's just add random pages. This is just a short tutorial, so don't worry about these. Just click on save menu. Now refresh this header. Now you can see this menu. Now either you can keep it like this, or you can click on container and make them apart like this. Right, so inside nav menu, you can go to top level menu because we don't have anything with the drop down yet. So click on top level menu. You can make it bold, give it a black color. So if you click on mobile icons, you can see this is become automatically responsive also. So you can also design it something like this. Right, so give it a padding or something. Right, so give it a border radius of something like 5 pixels. Make it like this. Also, if you see that these are not properly aligned, so click on container and click align items center, and you'll see this is in the center. Right, so this is how you create a very basic header in the bricks builder.